Accelerated benefit riders is a big deal to me. Unfortunately, most of us are going to get sick before we pass away. So if we get sick and we can be with our family and go through things that we otherwise wouldn't have had a chance to do because financial issues are not an issue anymore, that's the whole key.
So John and I go back a long ways. We were friends from church. I'd had some life insurance policies with him, and we discussed this new product that came out, the quality of life insurance. My first thought was, I'm healthy. I don't need this. Never been sick, never really been in the hospital. We discussed, what the coverages would be, and I signed up for the quality of life. Started having a lot of shoulder pain, and thought that it was just maybe a injury from playing sports. The diagnosis came for multiple myeloma, bone marrow cancer, and we started chemo in September of 2013, got out, finished the chemo in January, and that's where my doctor started talking about the need for a bone marrow transplant. Leading into the transplant, I had lots of bills coming in, as you can imagine. And so I was just kind of overwhelmed at that point. John was one of the friends that I called just to tell him what my situation was. He reminded me of the accelerated benefit rider on my quality of life policy that I had.
I immediately called AIG, and I must say they were very professional, and the claims department was all over this.
Claims department said that you qualify for $627,000 and some change, and I was floored. If this is really real, what a life changer. It was a unbelievable stress relief that you can't even explain. Benefit rider helped tremendously, more than I can even ever say. With the benefit of the money that I got, I decided that I would go try to find a place on the lake, and found a little place on the lake, bought it, was able to pay cash for it, no mortgage, which is a very big stress relief. My son was interested in buying a house, and with the benefits of the money that I received, I was able to help him in a down payment situation to where he could get a very low payment, and he was very thankful and blessed for that situation. My daughter, actually September 8th, my birthday, got engaged, and I knew that prior to this, I didn't have the money to put her through a wedding. And with this provided me the opportunity to give her the wedding of her dreams. The other great thing that I was able to be there to walk her down the aisle.
Just having the chance to help families get a check to go through all that. That's what AIG is about.
Be able to enjoy life while you're still here is a blessing that cannot be matched by anything.